Have you ever wanted to clean up your Zoho Books dashboard by removing old or unused bank accounts? Today, I'll walk you through how to mark a bank account as inactive and what that means for your records. It's quick, simple, and helps keep your banking section organized. Start by heading over to the Zoho Books website. If you're not already signed in, click the sign in button at the top and enter your login details. Once you're in, you'll land on the Zoho Books homepage. Now, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on the Banking tab. This will open up a list of all the accounts you've linked in Zoho Books. From here, select the account you want to manage. For example, if you no longer use your petty cash account, just click on that one. Once you're inside the account details page, you'll see recent transactions and other useful info. In the upper right corner, look for the small gear icon. That's your settings menu. Click it, and you'll see several options related to managing that account. Among those options is the button to mark as inactive. Before clicking it, keep in mind that marking an account as inactive won't delete any of your past records. It simply stops the account from being tracked in your daily operations while preserving all historical data. If you're sure, go ahead and click Mark as inactive. And that's it. You've successfully updated your account. Now, you might wonder if you can delete the account entirely. Zoho Books generally doesn't allow full deletion since it's important to keep past financial data intact. So marking it inactive is the best way to remove clutter without losing valuable history. And there you have it, a straightforward way to tidy up your banking section in Zoho Books. This keeps your view focused only on active accounts, making your financial management much easier. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to check out my other Zoho Books guides for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.